Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some more important bits regarding the Unit 7 from the Telangana 7th class English content. Mantri is the other name for dash of the following. Answer Queen. Mathematicians say that around dash unique games are possible according to the lesson The Wonderful World of Chess. Answer 10,120. Koneru Humpy's father was a dash. Answer lecturer. What is the other name for Enugu? Answer rook. The state associations are affiliated to All India Chess Federation. Identify the synonym of the underlined word affiliated. Answer merge with and part of larger group. Which piece can jump over other pieces? Answer knight. Find out the antonym of the word pauper. Answer beggar. The Hindus believe that chess was invented by whom of the following? Answer Mandodari. Find out the antonym of the word limelight. Answer obscurity. Match the following with the similar meanings. Answers opponent, a person being competed against in a game or a sport. Accountant, someone who keeps the records of money received, paid, and owed. Gigantic, enormous, extremely large. Restricted, limited, especially by rules, laws, etc. Limelight, public attention. Involve, include. Which are conducted at schools. Answer: invitation tournaments. How does the bishop go? Answer: diagonally. In how many countries now chess is taught as a school subject? Answer: 30. The word nevertheless means dash. Answer: however. When the inventor expressed the number of the grains he wanted, everybody thought that he was dash. Answer: a fool. What is the synonym of the word enough? Answer: sufficient. Who believed Mandodari invented chess? Answer: Hindus. The antonym of exceptional is dash. Answer: normal. How many squares can a pawn move forward after the first move? Answer: 1. Who broke Humpy's record in the lesson Koneru Humpy? Answer: Ifan. Match the following with the writers and their chess book name. Answers: Harkness, Kenneth, Official Chess Handbook, Candler, Murray, Chess Tactics for Kids, Gambit, Wolf, Patrick, The Complete Idiot's Guide to Chess, Giddins, Stephen, 50 Essential Chess Lessons, Harkness, Kenneth, Official Chess Rulebook. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.